So if you were to go around over here on the expert view right here, then it says continue to expert edit right here. And over here in the expert view, you can see the project asset panel where you can see all of the media files. So over here, you can see that I got audio and I got video and I got images over here as different media files right here. And if I were to go around and then filter it, I can filter it out by enabling and disable the different types of medias by clicking on these icons right here. For example, if I were to go around and click on video, then I only see videos right here. Then if I were to click on image, then I only see image right here. And if I were to go around and click on audio, then I only see audio files right here, just like this. You can click on audio and still images and you can see audio and still images. And if I were to click on video, then I see all of them right here. You can also go around and search for different files. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in SS, then it shows out the media files with the letter SS in them, as you can see right here. You can also go around and select some of the media files right here and hit the delete button right here. You can go around and double click to go around and preview the media file that you have as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. So before you bring it onto the timeline, you can preview it out as well from the project assets panel. So over here, you can also pin this out. So it simply won't disappear once you work around with the other section as well. You can also go around and change around how the media panel actually looks by going around over here. And over here from grid view, you can go around and change it out as list view right here. You can also go around and sort out the file order by clicking on file name right here. And you can go around and sort it out by duration. And you can also go around and sort it out right here by creating new items right here and arrange different videos out in folders as well and place them in them. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is how you can work around with the project assets panel inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.